Welcome back to our channel TechOpium. Today, we're diving into the world of Samsung's one of best offering, the Galaxy A54. That's right, the Samsung Galaxy. A54 is a mid-range smartphone that's been making waves since its release. Let's dive into what makes it stand out. The Galaxy A54 is known for its premium build and brighter display. It features a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display refreshing at 120 Hz, which is a significant upgrade from previous models. And that's not all. The Galaxy A54 also boasts significantly improved performance and better build quality. It runs on Samsung's Exynos 1380 processor and comes in two RAM and storage configurations, 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, and 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. The camera system on the Galaxy A54 is also a highlight. It features a 50MP main sensor with OIS, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 5MP macro lens. The 32MP sensor on the front of the device handles selfies, and overall the camera system delivers sharp, good color and deep contrast photos. And let's not forget about the battery life. The Galaxy A54 has been praised for its outstanding battery life, with a maximum screen-on time of at least 8 hours, and 9 hours seems very reachable too. Now, let's take a closer look at the camera performance of the Galaxy A54. According to DxOMark, the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G delivered an average performance for a device in the high-end segment in their camera tests. Still, images were well exposed in good light without too much contrast, making the Samsung a decent option for landscape photography. However, testers noticed white balance and exposure instabilities across consecutive shots, as well as a range of unwanted image artifacts, including ghosting and halo effects. A slow autofocus in low light was an additional limiting factor, making it difficult to react quickly and capture moving subjects. The Samsung Galaxy A54 also has a dedicated Podcasts tab on the YouTube app. This feature allows users to listen to podcasts in the same way they listen to songs, which is much more convenient than watching those podcasts on YouTube. Now, let's talk about the video recording capabilities of the Galaxy A54. According to GS Marina, the Galaxy A54 records video up to 4K 30 with both rear cameras, and 1080p at 60 fps is also available on the main camera if you like high frame rates. Stabilization is only available up to 1080p 30 fps, however. The default codec is H.264, but you do get to enable H.265 if you'd prefer to save space 9. Daylight videos out of the A54's main camera are properly excellent. There's ample detail in the 4K clips, 47 Mbps bitrate, and it's rendered in a pretty natural way, while noise is non-existent. Contrast is great, dynamic range is very good, and colors are just right both in terms of white balance and saturation 9. However, the A54's performance falls behind in low-light video. The main camera's results have good detail in areas of moderate lighting, but highlights tend to be very harsh, and colors are a little washed. The ultra-wide is struggling a lot at night, and it can't expose nowhere near brightly enough for dark scenes 9. So, in conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A54 offers a blend of high-end features and affordability. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a mid-range smartphone that doesn't compromise on performance or features. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, keep exploring the world of technology.